Tesla might be the best-known completely electric auto producer in the US. However, the Little Rimac Automobili organization, begun in 2013 in Croatia, is one of the new type of present-day automakers that is making huge advances into this fragment. Their first and final vehicle so far is the Concept_1, asserted to be the world's first electric supercar. It is a capable two-seater car that guarantees unparalleled levels of speeding up and taking care of worked into a great degree. Restricted numbers, refreshes and drivetrain changes are progressing. The inside is a totally bespoke plan and the middle support specifically looks cutting edge. The in-house planned infotainment and control screen offers a large number of capacities and settings that deters the need of physical catches and switches. There is space for two in the tight lodge and the seats offer wonderful parallel help. The fit and complete of the inside is useful for a low-volume item, and it would need to be, as it is contending at the very pointy end of the hypercar fragment. Taller inhabitants will experience difficulty with a limited headroom. However, the back bring forth opens up to uncover the electric control unit and baggage. Space is constrained to what you can store in the lodge in your pockets. The Rimac, similar to the lion's share of electric vehicles, measures a reasonable piece, a little more than 4,000 pounds, but this situation, in spite of the fact that its enormous torque yield kills the mass, and the Concept_1 takes advantage of its one-of-a-kind four-wheel electric engine setup and should offer wonderful cornering capacities. Very little is thought about how this electric game's auto handles around a race track, yet the attention on the driver is clear in subtle elements like the choice to utilize powerfully help directing rather than a less intuitive electric unit. The all-wheel torque vectoring framework can be changed in accordance with suit and assortment of driving necessities, and it ought to beat regular drivetrains with regards to putting the shutdown adequately in low grasp conditions. As indicated by reports, there are a couple of negatives as well. The ride quality is firm and unfaltering on rougher street surfaces, and the Concept_1 is getting it done on smooth, streaming streets. The slowing mechanism includes a regenerative component which turns around the electric engines when decelerating, and this joined with the carbon earthenware plate setup can make for a flighty and differing brake pedal feel. In spite of these shortages, the Rimac guarantees a connecting with an immersive experience like no electric auto has given previously. There may more secure decisions than the Rimac Concept_1 with regards to top-level supercars. However, this low-volume electric-fueled roadster offers a look into what's in store for the execution auto.